Which criteria can you use to judge that your relationship is moving smoothly? Which criteria can you use to judge that you have a strong relationship?
Well, a strong relationship, first of all, you've got to define what's the purpose of your relationship. Because you cannot know that something is moving smoothly if you don't even know the direction it is supposed to move. You know, there has got to be certain things that you had set as ground rules for you to first of all know that it will be moving and moving smoothly. So what are the things that you're looking for? That's where your relationship should start. What kind of person did you want? What do you want to achieve? What do you want them to help you achieve? Once you're clear about that, then you can define whether you're working well, because you've got clear goals and you can see that you're meeting those goals. But then again, where there is issues of when you have somebody who is trustworthy, somebody who is reliable, somebody who is truthful, when you have people who they're not afraid of you, but they're still respectful still, they bring out the best of you, they bring the elements of friendship, they communicate well, they challenge you, yet they still know their place. I think that's a good relationship. Most of the times we look for the things that are mostly external. Both ladies and men are guilty for that. We look for the things that are external. But you got to look at the person and you look at their commitment to the relationship. You look at their willingness to handle issues and resolve them. You look at the sacrifices they make to make the relationship work. When you can find somebody who's got an 80% effort, then you can ignore the 20%.